Palmetto Health wishes all dads a happy Father's Day and honors those who have been there to help their kids at Children's Hospital.
Being just a regular person, I had no idea what cerebral palsy was. Didn't know anybody had children with it. It was totally new to me. We had to be completely educated on what it was and how it's going to affect our son. First thing in the morning when he wakes up, I have to dress my son. I have to assist him getting in his wheelchair. I have to get his breakfast for him. I have to get his toothpaste and toothbrush and everything. He's able to do that on his own, but I have to get everything prepared for him and help him with his jacket, push him out to the van to ride to school, so it's constant. It doesn't really seem to bother him much. Of course, he knows he's different from everybody. There's been times when it has bothered him. He said, "Dad, I don't want to spend my whole life in a wheelchair." I don't really think that there's any way around it other than him getting stronger through physical therapy, and that's, of course, what we're working on. It gives you confidence knowing that your child is going to be in the best hands possible. Loving, caring, professional people. And even though it can be a scary situation for you, you know that your child is going to be in the best place he can possibly be. I can't imagine going anywhere else. It's an awesome place for kids. He wants to be called a young man now and not a boy, So I said, "Well, son, now that you're 14, as soon as this toothpaste is done, which is the bubblegum flavor," I said, "we're going to be switching you over to the mint because young men use mint." He's like, "No, Dad, I want to stay with the bubble gum. I don't like the mint." He wants to be a good dad and have children, just be a happy person, and that's all I can ask for. He makes me proud constantly. He inspires me, and he tells me that he's so proud to be my son, and I tell him I'm proud to be your dad. To me, there's nothing missing that he needs to be a better son than he already is. He's incredible.
It's easy to make a contribution to Palmetto Health Children's Hospital. Just text For the Kids to 41444. That's For the Kids to 41444 and follow the link. Palmetto Health wishes all dads a happy Father's Day and honors those who have been there to help care for their kids at Children's Hospital.
My name is Joel McDevitt. My daughter's Amelia. She was diagnosed with leukemia. That's the day the floor fell out from under me. Here I am, being a single dad, struggling as best I can, trying to make it work. She goes in for a simple fever, and a blood test later, and everything changed. It was a trying day, and I'll never forget it. When Amelia was diagnosed, who do I tell? Who do I express this to that I just found this out? I just felt lost and alone, honestly. I lost it for a few seconds in the bathroom when nobody was looking, but I made my phone calls and we made a plan to figure out where we go from here. The way I explained to Amelia that she was sick was I sat her down and we had a nice chat. I told her that something was going on in her body that wasn't quite right and that she would have to go through a lot of medication in order to make her body correct. Her treatments are completed. Relapse is slim. Time spent with her is taken for granted. I was focused more on being successful. My career, working 50 hours a week is my goal. And since her diagnosis, I've definitely slowed down a lot. I focused more on time with her, spending time with her doing homework, doing things on the weekends, instead of just focused on my goals. My goals now include more of her than anything else. The team here has been like family. They have given us hope and they've told us it's okay. They've patted us on the back, given us a tissue when we've been crying, and that is very powerful. And Amelia is improving day by day. I'm Joel, my daughter's Amelia, and she gets the best care at Children's Hospital.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
It's easy to make a contribution to Palmetto Health Children's Hospital. Just text For the Kids to 41444. That's For the Kids to 41444 and follow the link.